Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. So today we are going to start our chapter number 19, India, Human Life. We are proud that we are born in India. Our country is situated on the southern side of Asia. It has been gifted by three seasons, that is cold season, warm season and rainy season, with traditional subdivisions of these seasons. Earlier, you have studied that India is a diversified country with reference to relief, features and climate. So many diversities are seen in food, dressing, dwellings, language, dialects, festivals, holidays, etc. Thus, India is a multicolored nation showing unity in diversity. Relief and climate have a clear impact on the food and dress. Example, the staple food of people living near sea coast is rice and fish. Wheat is the main crop in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. So, people in these regions use wheat preparations. Similarly, relief and climate have a strong impact on the dressing. The costume of people in colder and mountainous region is woolen and covers entire body. Similarly, people living in a region experiencing high temperature throughout the year put on cotton dresses which are light in color and are loose. Nowadays, men put on pant and shirt and women put on salwar kameez in every state. India can be divided into four zones according to lifestyle: Western India, Northern India, Southern India, and Eastern India. Now we shall learn about the lifestyle in respective region. The first one, folk life, that is Western India. Major states of Western India are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Goa. It also includes union territories of Diu, Daman, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Now about the food. Staple food in Rajasthan is millet and dal bati. Marwadi kachori of Rajasthan is a famous item in breakfast. Rotli, bhakri, vegetable, dal and rice, khichdi and kadhi are main items in the food of Gujarati people. Khaman and gathia are more preferred as savory item. Maharashtrian prefer sev usal. People living along the sea coast of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa eat mainly rice and fish. Now student, for your knowledge, like to know, Gujaratis are basically traders as they are required to go to distant places for trading durable items for breakfast like thepla, gathia, dry kachori, khakro and sukdi are more common among them. Now about the dress. As Rajasthan is a desert area and a dry region, there is less diversity in vegetation. This deficiency is compensated through colorful dresses. Generally, men put on dhoti, angarkhu, and a colorful headgear, and women put a petticoat having larger circumference, blouse, and an odhni. There are more camels in Rajasthan, so people use mojdi and other footwears made from camel hides. Now student, you underline this sentence. It can be asked in 1 mark question. Traditional attire of Gujarat. Here men put on dhoti, kurta, white cap or headgear, that is turban on head, while women put on sari, petticoat and blouse. The traditional attire for men in Maharashtra is dhoti and pehran and cap or turban on head, while women put on sari in typical Maharashtrian style. The traditional dressing of people in Madhya Pradesh resembles very much to the neighboring states Maharashtra and Gujarat. In Goa also, men put on dhoti and pehran, while women put on sari, petticoat and blouse. However, a western effect is distinctly seen on dressing in Goa. Thus, every region has traditional characteristics regarding its dressing. Now, the dwelling. There is less rainfall in Rajasthan due to deserts. So, most of the houses have flat top. Rural people live in the house made up of grass and mud. People in Gujarat live in modern type of buildings made up from bricks and cement. In Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Goa also. Urban people live in well laid out houses with many modern amenities. In every state, the forest dwellers living in forest or mountainous area stay in scattered huts. Roofs of the buildings in Konkan, which receive heavy rainfall, are slant. Now, student, for your knowledge, like to know, dwellings in Kutch, that is Gujarat, are known as bhunga. These bhungas were least damaged during the earthquake of 26 January 2001. Now about the language. Rajasthani people mainly speak Hindi, while Marwadi language is spoken in Marwad. Gujarati is the main language of people in Gujarat. Kutchi dialect is spoken in Kutch. Hindi is main language in Madhya Pradesh. Marathi and Konkani are languages spoken in Maharashtra and Goa, respectively. Regional dialects are spoken according to the area of respective states. Now, student, I will explain you the next topic, that is festivals and celebrations and the fairs, in my next video. Thank you.